Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to the ingredient channel where I share easy homemade Chinese recipes. Today, I've got a super simple recipe for you. Braised whole chicken made right in a rice cooker. Trust me, once you marinate the chicken thoroughly, the rice cooker does the rest. You'll be amazed at how flavorful this chicken turns out, better than the rotisserie chicken you find at most stores, guaranteed. We are starting with a whole chicken, trimming off the fat. Now, you can toss the fat if you like, but I recommend keeping it. It's perfect for making delicious pancakes, which I will cover in another episode. Use a fork to poke the chicken so it absorbs the seasoning better. Next, slice an onion. And a few pieces of ginger. Place them in a large bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, two tablespoons of cooking wine, 6 tablespoons of light soy sauce, one teaspoon of 5 spice, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, two dried bay leaves, 1 star anise, break apart for more flavor, 1 teaspoon of salt, mix everything well, squeezing the onion and ginger to release their juices. Don't forget to wear a glove to protect your hand. Add more or less of the ingredients depending on the size of your chicken. I wouldn't pick too big a chicken. Medium size is good enough. Mine, I believe, is a little over 3 pounds. Now it's time to marinate the chicken. Make sure to season it inside and out multiple times. Stuff the chicken with the onion, ginger, and all the solid ingredients. Let it sit in the fridge overnight to soak up all the goodness. The next day, rub 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil on the skin. Then place the chicken in your rice cooker. In my case, I'm using an Instant Pot since my rice cooker isn't big enough. Set it to rice cook. In about 15 minutes, your chicken will be ready. To finish, transfer the chicken and the sauce to a pan to brown the skin. Use high heat and keep pouring the sauce over the chicken as it cooks. You see the skin darken with each pour, and the sauce will reduce as it thickens. Once it's done, turn off the heat. And it's time to dig in. The chicken is tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. I'm impressed, and I hope you will be too. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy homemade Chinese recipes. If you save the chicken fat, stay tuned for the upcoming pancake recipe. Until next time, happy cooking!